I'm coming. I'm trying to share my screen. So can you see my screen?
Yes, yes.
So when you purchase a VPS from us, this is what the IP address is going to look like. When you make a purchase of the VPS, this is what the IP address is going to look like. So after you've gotten the IP address, you get the IP address, your login, and your the IP address, the email, and the password. So after you've been able to get, hello, hear me now? So after you've been able to get your IP address, there's an app you need to download. It's called Microsoft Remote Desktop. There's an app you need to download. It's called Microsoft Remote Desktop. So if you're using Mac, you download it for Mac. But if you're using Windows, you download for Windows like this. So once you search for it online, you can easily download here, or you can search online on where you can easily download. Now, this is my own Microsoft Remote Desktop. Can you see? Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see.
Yes, I can.
So this is my own Microsoft Remote Desktop. Now, this desktop actually means that it's an online PC that you can use to trade for it, and it is always available 24/7. You know, you can imagine this is my own PC now. This is my own PC. You can see my own Wi-Fi name. So sometimes if there's no network, my PC might be down. But this VPS, this PC is always online 24/7. So I want to log in now for the one for Go Digits so that I can actually see how to log in. Now, when you open the app, there will be nothing like this. All this one, the existing VPS details of our client. So you come to this plus sign, you click on Add PC. Then you paste the IP address that was given to you like this. Can you see? So once you paste like this, let me drop it down. Okay. Once you paste, then you save. Okay, this is the IP address. Let me duplicate this. I think I have a duplicate already. So let me do this again so I can do it once again. Now you come to this plus here, add PC, you paste. Are you seeing my screen? Then you click on add. But if you have the login detail already, it's always good for you to add the username and password. You can come to this user account, then scroll all the way down. You add a username, Go Digit, like this. Then the password, you input in the password like this. So you can save the name Go Digit so that it will be easier for you to identify. Are you with me? So this is Go Digit. So I'm clicking on add. So right away now, I've been able to save this account as Go Digit so that anytime I want to log in, I don't need to keep entering my username and password every time. So automatically the system will log me in directly. So let me just give it another name here, Go Digit, like this. Then you click on save. So you can see that it's showing as available. So if I double click like this, the VPS will open and it will ask you to confirm. You see some certificates like this. Ask you to confirm, just confirm it. So once you are done, the VPS is going to open up to you. So can you see the VPS name? Hello, are you there?
Yes, we are here.
So can you see the VPS? So on your VPS, you have MT4 terminal and MT5 terminal already installed. You have MT4 terminals and MT5 terminal already installed. So if you want to work, just open the MT4 terminal like this. You double click. Once the MT4 terminal opens up, then you enter your broker. So let's say the broker I want to use is FXT. Can you see? It will start up my broker instantly. Let's say the broker I want to use is Prime, like this. Can you see? So let's say the broker I want to use is Octa FX. Octa, just put Octa like this. It will bring in Octa FX. So once you are done, you're only just to select the server that you want to log in into. So let me use a demo server login. SNES trial 10. Let me use SNES trial 10. This, then you click on next, then you click on existing trade account because you already have an account that you want to log in. So at the moment, I want to log into an existing account that it will be easier for me to use to explain to you guys. Are you still there?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so let me log into an existing account. 714. Then you input your password. Always leave this like this so that every time your terminal is down, you on it back, it will always log in automatically. So you notice one thing, that once you log in, you will see trade. There are so many things you'll be seeing on your MT4 terminal. Trade, exposure, history, news. This, so you can delete all these charts. They are not useful at the moment. Then you can click on trade. Like now, I have an existing trade on this demo account. Now, there are three key things when it comes to installation of EA. There are three key things. You can pin this, you right click, then you click on pin. So it will always be at the home bar. Now, there are three key things you need when it comes to installation of EA. Now, let me show you how to install. Now, for you to be able to install EA, you can see my EA here. I have nothing here. My indicator here, I have nothing here. So if you want to install your EA, first make sure that your auto trading is on. You come to tools, you come to options, you come to expert advisors, you click on allow DDL. Just in case your EA requires DDL, automatically you enable this. Now to install EA is very simple. You come to file, you come to open data folder. Now this part is the most important part when it comes to installation of EA. I repeat, this part is the most important part when it comes to the installation of EA. You double click, then you come to experts. This experts, this is where your EA is going to be. This is where the indicator is going to be. And this is where the library is going to be. So let's say peradventure now, your EA, you need your EA will be here, the indicator will be here, and the library will be here. So if you have any like now, this is an EA right now. So I'll imagine that this is the EA that was given to you by your boss. So what you just need to do is this: you download the email, the file. Let's imagine the files is here. Let's imagine the file is here. Let me look for a demo file that we can upload. I'm coming. Let me just look for a demo file. Okay, let me just copy this. Let me just copy this. I'm sorry. So let's imagine that I want to install an EA. So I can delete all what I have here. All these ones, they are demo. So you can come here, you right click and paste. So can you see? I was able to copy from my PC directly to the server. I repeat, I was able to copy from my PC directly to the server. So if I should come back to this part here and refresh, you will see that the EA is already showing. Can you see? Can you see what I'm saying? Are you there? So to install EA is very simple and straightforward. I repeat, you come to File, you come to Open Data folder, you come to MPL4, you click on Expert. So this is where you are going to put your EA. If your EA has, let me say, as an indicator, you come to this part here, you can delete all the indicators you have here, so that only your indicators will be showing. I repeat, you can delete all the indicators that's here, so only your indicator will be showing. So I'll still want to paste the same EA as indicator, but the EA is not an indicator. So I've installed Expert. Please try and mute yourself. Please try and mute yourself. I've installed Expert. I've also installed indicator. The next aspect will now be libraries. So if you have libraries attached to the EA, this is where you are going to install the library, this part here. So you install the library here, you install the indicator here, and you install the expert advisor here. So once you have done with these three, you are good to go. So now, the EA now, they will ask you what pairs do you want to trade with. So let's imagine I want to trade with GBP USD like this. I will draw this chart. Let me show you how I do it. You can type the pairs you want in this folder. You can right click to hide all. You can right click to show all pairs. You can also right click back to hide all. So let's imagine I want gold XAU USD like this. Can you see? So let's imagine I want GBP JPY like this. So if you want to install, you need to first drag the pairs to this part. So let's imagine I'm dragging my GBP USD like this. Can you see? So the person that gave you the EA will tell you the best time frame to use. So let's imagine I want to use 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, depending on what you are asked to use. So right away, I'm using 1 hour. Now this is the EA. You just have to drag and drop like this. Can you see? You drag and drop. So once you drop, it will open like this. You see the DLL. You take this DLL. You take this part. You can disable this. You also need to take this one as well. Then you click on input. Now under the input, if the expert advisor, if you are given a set file, this is where you are going to load it. You click on load. Then you will copy the set file and paste. I'm still trying to imagine this is the set file. Let me try to create a set file. Let me try and create a set file so that you can see what I mean by it. Demo set. Now, imagine that you want to load a set file now. After, let me do it again. I will drag this like this. You can see I've clicked all this, right? You click on input, you click on load, demo sets. Can you see? This one now, I just created this one now. But the owner of the EA will give you a set file to use. Just right click and paste. You copy the set file from your PC directly here. So once you have it here, you click on open. So it will load the set files the person gave to you to trade. Then you click on OK. So once you are done, the job is completed. Once you have done, the job is completed, then the EA will start trading. Make sure that this auto trading is on. Like this is paused. Can you see? Like this is on. When you pause it, this EA will not be smiling again. But when you on it, the EA will be smiling, which shows the EA is active and is running on this account. So right away, I'm done with installation of EA and every other aspect. So if you have any questions, you are free to ask. Thank you. Any questions for now?
Yeah, I have a question.
Okay, go ahead, sir.
So my system is like a Chromebook and
Okay.
it create like Android.
Okay.
So is there is it going to still work?
Yes, it will. Once you download the app, remote desktop.
So is the app that is the main thing? Because is it like the whole interface like this Android phone?
Yes, it's remote desktop that is the main thing. That is the main thing. Even on your mobile phone, you can use it, but it will be quite smaller for you to use your mobile. So we always advise people to use it on their PC.
Okay, okay.
And once you are done, don't off this. Don't off this. Don't close it here. Just close it at the top like this. So once I'm back, I can just log in like this automatically back. My VPS will be on back. Can you see? It's on back. That is exactly how it works. Your trade will be running 24/7 non-stop. Don't close the terminal. Just make sure that anytime you want to close, just close the VPS itself, not the terminal. So anytime you want to go back, just do like this. You get back in, then you are in. So if you have any other questions, feel free to ask. I'm available. Anyone else? Hello?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
So, the for the EA, it only works with metaphor only, abi?
It depends on the EA that is given to you. There's EA for MT4, there's EA for MT5. That is why we have MT4 terminal, MT5 terminal.
Okay, okay.
So it depends on the one you want to work with. The same process, the same steps.
Okay, okay.
This is
Okay.
MT5. When you come to file, open data folder. Can you see? That one is showing MQL4, but MT5 will be showing MQL5. Double click. When you double click, you can see expert, indicator, library. It's still the same thing.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Any other question?
I have a question.
Go ahead, sir.
Are they selected brokers for this EA to work with, or any broker, any brokerage account?
It depends on the person you are buying the EA from. The person will tell you the broker to use, or you can work with any broker.
Okay.
So our own is the VPS is just to work on any broker that you want. And if you try to log in, your broker is not coming. You can download your broker terminal, or you can use this Google Chrome here to download your broker's terminal directly to the PC. Or you can do copy and paste. Can you see?
Okay.
You can download it directly from here, or you can do copy and paste. So any other question?
No questions, sir.
Any other question?
No,
Okay.
no questions, sir. But
So that means we are done for today.
can we be messaging you as time goes on?
Definitely. You can
Setup?
Okay, sir.
And again, please, can you send us the recording?
Sir?
So can you send us the recording so we can go through it?
Definitely. I will, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. You're welcome, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, everyone. God bless you.
Amen.